is my normal.
Hello everybody. Today we are test driving Skoda Octavia, which came in with the Dpf problems. All the problems and the related Adblue problems has been solved. There is no engine light. And can you please tell me in your own words, how was your car driving before and how is it feeling now? I see you got a smile on your face.
Because my car was barely driving before. I couldn't pull out of a junction safely. I couldn't overtake a cyclist. Anytime I went over 2,500 revs, it would go into limp mode. I was getting about 20 miles per gallon, driving around everywhere. It was noisy.
You got
39 now without even trying. It was noisy. It was very unresponsive. It would take a long time to get through the gears. It would, every time on the motorway or under load, it would go into limp mode again. And it was just terrible to drive. I've got a caravan that I haven't been able to take away. I haven't been able to get to work because of it. And now I trust this car to pull out at a junction and for it to get me to the other side of the road in time. You know, it drives so nice. I'm so happy.
Excellent.
I'm so happy. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that nice feedback. We are Moorhouse Garage -SupremeDPFCleaning.com, located in Westerham, Kent. Our postcode is Tango November 16 to Echo Tango. You can reach me on 07533636194 with your DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx, SCR problems, turbo injector problems. We are the masters. We are professional on any part of your vehicle, electrical, including diagnostic, ECU programming. We are quantum tuning certified ECU programming center. And also, we do Ghost Immobiliser fitting services. Thanks for watching. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel for the further more videos. Have a nice day.